Hello everybody, today we have an electric pump that needs repair. There is a place here that needs soldering, and we are going to try it using our RFS robotic hand. The soldering gun is already at high temperatures, so our robot, are you ready to go? Yes. Okay, go. So at start, it raises the arm in a positive Y direction. You see the hydraulics are pushing. After reaching a considerable height, it now goes to the negative x-axis. As you can see, the hydraulics are pushing up. It is coming, it is coming, it is coming. It is already at a proper target. We now lower it. We return it again a little bit. The soldering gun is supposed to stay at this point, so we raise it up again. We return it, and then we'll lower it down. So as you can see, it's now soldering. It's raising up a bit, then it's returning, then it's lowering a bit, then it's returning,